So we're just going to go and have a look in the Kuranda market at the moment. It's open today. Got some rubs, chili sauces, pineapple chili sauce, mango chili sauce, some clothes, polo shirts, lots of different jewellery, some local art. Absolutely amazing. If you want any art, contact David. There's his contact number and details on there. Your new friend, Chad?
Yep.
He's bigger than you, that one.
Charlie's bigger.
There we go at that. It's amazing. Unreal. Local produce, local jams, chutney. Good, thanks, buddy.
Locally made. Yeah. Everything I have in my business is local.
Lovely.
Local and good quality, just like the bloke selling it.
That's
very
good.
important.
Some good local honey. Herring. Round of cookies. Roux jerky. It's unusual. Some local Aboriginal art. Little didgeridoos, boomerangs. Some big didgeridoos. Some of the artwork on them, amazing. Some good artwork on them. Spend a lot of time doing the artwork. So that was the Kuranda markets. Hope you enjoyed the walk through there. Got a lot of different produce and bits and pieces through there. I've got some of it on tape, not too much. Well, recommend just come up here in Kuranda and have a look.